Hey ladies, thanks so much for clicking on my tutorial on how to create this kinky crochet wig out of the RastAfri Malibu Afro Kinky Braid hair. This is a look that you can achieve within an hour and it is full, fierce, and fabulous. So stay tuned for my step-by-step tutorial, and if you like more of these videos, be sure to thumbs up this video and share with your friends. Thanks ladies! So I use 3 packs of the RastAfri Kinky Braid hair to achieve this wig. I did need to remove some of the strands from the hair because it was a little too big, so you probably could get away with 2 packs or 2.5 packs to create this look. So I tried to install the hair a index finger length apart from each other, so it's not too close. If it's too close, then you are going to have an extremely large wig. So here I'm just demonstrating how I actually install the strands to the crochet cap, and you can find a crochet cap at any of your local beauty supply stores, or you can order online. I'll go ahead and add a link in the description box of where you can purchase this cap. So here is where I place the strand of hair into the latch of the crochet needle, and then you just want to pull it through the net, and then you're going to secure the strands with securing it with a knot. And I'm just going to go ahead and just demonstrate that here. I'm so done with help. Okay, and now we're at the front of the crochet cap, and this is where I began to create my crown of my crochet wig. Since this is a full crochet wig, I am just going in a circular motion like a crown, just kind of how I do my wig caps, and install the strands about an index finger length apart, and then we're just going to fill it in pretty good and all the way up until we get to the closure of the wig. So pretty much the crochet wig is complete. For the area that I wanted to create pretty much my invisible closure, I'm just going to fill in that area. This is where I'm going to kind of give myself somewhat of a side swoop, as we call it. And so I'm going to add and fill it in with a few strands of hair, just so you don't see the net, because that's not cute. And yep, that's just me filling it in right here, just making sure it's nice and complete. And then we'll be ready to slay in just a moment. Another tip here with filling in your closure and creating your visible part is to separate the strands of hair. The hair comes a little thicker than this, so I separated it, and then that creates more of a natural look here. You don't want the chunky strands in this area. You want to separate the strands. If you want more videos like this, be sure to thumbs up this video, comment below, and share with your friends. And be sure to stay fabulous and subscribe. Thanks, ladies. Bye-bye.